everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we are going to see how to square a 3-digit number just in 4 seconds in a single line. It will be very easy using this method. I'll explain. If suppose the 3 numbers, the 3 digits are A, B, C, like 235, 3-digit number. Let me take it as ABC to demonstrate to you. So there will be 5 parts in the answer. First part will be A squared. Just square the first digit. And the last part will be C squared. Square the last digit. And the second part will be first 2 digit, multiply and double it. In other words, 2AB. And the fourth part, this part is going to be these two, multiply, find the product and double it. In other words, 2BC. So the middle part or the third part will be A and C, double it, add them with B squared. So it may look little tricky as it is the first time, but once you start doing this method, this technique, and if you practice few questions based on this, you can able to do it with ease just in 4 seconds. As I am demonstrating, it's taking such a longer time, but when you do it yourself, after learning this technique, you will get it in 3 to 4 seconds. Believe me guys. So let me repeat. First part is squaring the first digit, A squared. Last part, C squared. Now, second part, 2AB. And fourth part, 2BC. The middle part is going to be multiply the first and the last digit, double that, add it with middle, B squared. So I hope the technique is clear to you. We will do some questions based on this. You will completely understand. First question, 435 the whole square. Now, let me write the technique quickly for this question. AB, A squared, 2AB, 2AC plus B squared, 2BC, C squared. So, in place of A, I have 4. 4 squared, 16. Now, AB is 4 times 3, 12. 12, double it. 12 twos are 24. Now, 2AC. 4 fives are 20. Double that. 40 plus square the middle number, 3 square 9. 49 is the third part of the answer. Now BC. 3 fives are 15. 15 twos are 30. C squared is the last digit square, 25. That's all. These are the first parts. Now let's add them. Start from the last. Rightmost number, 25. Write 5 here. 2 is the carry. Add 2 with this. 30 plus 2, 32. 2 here. Add the carry. 3. 49 plus 3, 52. Write the 2 here. 5 is the carry. 24 plus 5, 29. Write 9 here. 2 is the carry. 16 plus 2, 18. So this is our final answer. When you square 435, the answer is 189,225. Such a big answer. We got it so quickly. Again, as I was demonstrating, it took such a longer time. Little longer, I mean. So when you do it, after some practice, you can able to get the answer within 3 to 4 seconds. Shall we do a few more? Oh, next one. Now, without writing the technique, we will try to write the 5 parts directly. A, in place of A, I have 6. 6 squared, 36. Now last part, 3 3s are 9. Now multiply these two, 6 4s are 24, double it, 48. Write it here. Now 4 3s are 12, double it, 24, write it here. Now the middle part, we know that multiply A and C, double it. A and C is 6 3s are 18. 18 2s are 36. Now square the middle part. 4 squared, 16. Now when you add them up, 52, that will be the middle part. Is it not really quick? Yes, it is. Now let me start adding from the rightmost. Write 9 as it is. 24, write 4 only here. 2 is the carry. 52 plus 2, 54. Write 4 here. 5 is the carry. 48 plus 5, 53. Write 3 here. 5 is the carry. 36 plus 5, 41. That will be our final digits. This is the final answer. So 643 the whole square is equal to 413,449. Do you find it easy now? Yes. So after learning any technique, please do nearly 5 to 6 questions. Then you will get hang of it and you can also able to solve it in 4 seconds like this. Let's do one last question. You are going to try with me. Let's see how long it takes. 857 the whole square. Square the first digit. 64. Square the last digit. 7 squared 49. Multiply these two. 5 8s are 40. Double that 80. Second part. Now fourth part. Multiply these two. 5 7s are 35. Double it 70. Now A and C. 8 7s are 56. Double it, which will give you 112. Now the middle digit 5 squared, which is 25. Add them up, 137. That will be the middle or the third part. Now keep adding from the rightmost. 49, just write 4 here. 4 is the carry. 7 plus 4, 74. 4 here. 7 is the carry. 137 plus 7 is 144. Just write the 4 here. 14 is the carry. Now 80 plus 14, 94. Write 4 here and 9 is the carry. Add it with 64. 64 plus 9, 73. If you want, you can check all the answers with your calculator. It will be 100% correct. You can be sure about it. So the answer for this question is 734,449. Okay, students. So I hope you understood this technique completely. Thanks for watching. Share this video with your friends. Subscribe our channel for more useful videos and click the bell icon for all notifications. See you next time. Take care.